Bro, there's no turbo.
There's no turbo. Dude, no turbo. Okay, well, this isn't explaining because there's nothing left in the box, so there's no turbo. Was good, yo. Finally pulling up to Sim's house. Can't wait to see what they got. Everything was supposed to get here a lot more later, but I guess I got here a day early. Finally, man. Oh, more turbo noises. People don't understand. Boost gets you laid. No one understands that. No one understands that. It should be fun. I can't wait. Another boosted car in the coop. Excited. Finally. Damn, the whole gang's here.
Didn't you order from the same website?
Right?
These don't pop.
Nah, what is this? Where does it go in terms of?
They sent it to the wrong guy. Michael Georgia.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh look, it came with a
Key wrap.
You put on your windshield. Yeah, key wrap, bro. Key wrap. You sure this isn't like an axle butt?
Open headers or what?
Open headers? Headers?
Yeah, definitely. That's a weird ass shape, look.
And the welds are pretty good too. Look at that. It's like good ass shit. I mean, good ass stuff. Right? I don't know nothing about Hondas. They're all different. It's like fucking your cousin. It tastes right. It don't feel right.
What the fuck?
Got some more couplings or bracelets.
That's a little manifold.
There's some manifold right here. Like to talk turbo. Got milk. Should be dope. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool.
Show him his coilovers.
Oh yeah, it came with coilovers too, man. Was that like 4 inches right there?
Oh yeah.
Maybe 7. No, these are definitely 7.
I think the blue one's the lift.
Oh no, hey, trying to look like your bag? Oh, this definitely needs a tune. Oh, I hear a verbal tune.
2 hours later.
Okay, enough. Damn, some duct tape. Nah, I think it's like heat tape, whatever it's called. Where's the turbo at, man?
Did they forget to send the turbo?
They sure came today.
Oh, you didn't even order a turbo.
Imagine.
Buys everything. Doesn't get turbo. Alright. A bunch of more pipes. Jesus, this is sunning a fucking foundation for your front yard. wish I had an intercooler. Okay, well, this isn't explaining because there's nothing left in the box, so there's no turbo.
Fuck is a turbo?
I don't know.
That's everything.
Fuck.
That's everything.
What are you doing? Watch out.
The check to show us the turbo.
We need to find the turbo.
There's no turbo, dude.
What is that box left? Is that yours?
Bro, there's no turbo. It didn't come with a turbo.
Turbo. There's no turbo. Dude, no turbo in the turbo kit.
Alright guys, we'll be
No
back.
turbo in the turbo kit.
We'll be back with an update, I guess. Later.